Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to share an easy chocolate snack that my kids really enjoy during the summertime, and it's called chocolate crinkles. It's a very easy recipe to follow, so if you want to see that, keep on watching. Alright, so the ingredients that we need for this one is 1 cup of flour, 2/3 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I do have 2 eggs and 1/4 cup softened butter. So in a bowl, I will be combining the butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, and cocoa powder. So feel free to use your electric mixer for this one, but use the lowest speed if you want. But I'm just using a regular whisk today and some spatulas. So I'm just going to be combining everything up together until it's a very smooth texture. So when everything is combined with the cocoa mixture, I'm just gonna set that aside and combine all my dry ingredients all together. So in a small bowl, I combine the flour, baking powder, and salt, and I whisk them in. I mix them until they are incorporated all together. So I'm actually switching into a spatula at this point. I find that it's hard to mix in the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together with the whisk. So this step is optional, so I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of red food coloring to make it into a red velvet crinkles. I've already made the first batch of the chocolates, and this one is just the red velvet batch. So skip this step if you don't want it. So the next step is to combine the cocoa mixture and the dry ingredients. I'm slowly adding in the flour mixture. Mix everything until they are formed into a sticky dough. So now I'm transferring the dough into an oiled bowl and wrap it up with some saran wrap, and I will be popping this in the fridge for about 30 minutes to chill. After 30 minutes, I preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, I have 1 cup of powdered sugar and set that one on the side. I grabbed the chilled dough, so I put some oil in my hand so the dough will not stick. And I grab about a teaspoon of the dough and start rolling them into an inch of a bowl. I did about 10 chocolate flavor and 10 red velvet. My camera actually died while I was putting them into the powdered sugar that I set aside earlier. So after rolling them, I put them into the powdered sugar bowl and place them into the baking sheet with the parchment paper, and they are ready to pop in the oven for about 10 minutes to 12 minutes. Cool them for a few minutes after taking them out and serve while warm. They are very delicious and chewy when they're warm, and they're also great after when they are cooled down as well. And here they are. They are very soft, smooth, and chewy. If you guys try this recipe up, let me know, comment down below, and maybe add in your picture. Hope you guys like this video and try it out.
This is die.
But do you like it? Is it soft?
It's yummy. It's a bit yummy. Yum, yum, yum. This is die.
So I will be wrapping this video here. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for new content if you have not. I will see you guys in my next video.